There are various kinds of herbs that you can use to help grow out your natural hair. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you why some of these herbs are not just working for you and how to use them properly. The secret is knowing the right herbs to use for your natural hair pattern and how to combine them. Take for instance what I have here. This is a mixture of cloves and hibiscus. I can tell you the benefits of both and the reason why I'm combining them. And I can also tell you why some of them are not working for you. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. Cloves contain high level of antioxidants and helps with growth and strength of your natural hair because they protect your scalp from dandruff, which is a major cause of weak and thin hair. You cannot exhaust all the benefits that cloves have for our natural hair. Hibiscus, on the other hand, makes your hair look shiny and conditions your hair against frizz and dryness. It acts as a natural emollient that helps keep moisture in your hair. You can already tell why I mix both, right? While one is giving strength and preventing dandruff, the other is helping me with moisture and also protecting my hair against frizz and dryness. So you have to know the technique in combining some of these herbs together because you don't want to have two herbs that offer the same properties or benefits. You don't want to use two herbs that are both known for protein benefits because that will be doing too much and also may cause protein overload. So you want to combine herbs on the basis of you getting different benefits from both herbs. So whenever you're trying to use herbs, know what benefits you'll be getting from both before combining them. This will help you benefit from all sides. This spray right here can be used as a leave-in, which means a moisturizer. You don't need to rinse it out. Or you can as well choose to use it as a thin rinse. That is, after shampooing and deep condition your hair, you can use it to rinse out the conditioner. So I've been using cloves and hibiscus for a long time, So by now I already know how it makes my hair feels and what it actually does to my hair. So you want to give it a try and see how it feels with your hair. But one thing you should know is that if something is not working out for you, then you don't have to continue using it. You can try something else. So I'm just putting this in a spray bottle because that is how it's easy for me to use when it's in a spray bottle, because of course this is liquid and you don't want to just pour it on your hair except you're using it as a thin rinse. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you learned one or two things from today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment below if there are any concerns, any questions that you might want to ask concerning this. I'll be in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching once again. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.